And I don't know if I'm halfway to heaven or halfway to hell. My angels and
the OTC is here.
The following contest is a Hell in a Cell match. Making his way to the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the OTC, Roman Reigns.
A man who was once one of the most dominant stars in history. Led the original bloodline with an iron fist. Wait, what do you mean once? Roman is still as dominant as ever.
But one thing's for sure, he is ready to prove that this is still his show, with or without the bloodline.
Listen to this crowd, the respect this man has earned. The WWE Universe watched Roman conquer this business. They know he is a generational talent. Roman operates on a different level. He stands alone even among the greats. He is one. Ah, the beast is in the house!
And his opponent from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, Brock Lesnar!
Guys, talk about an intimidating individual.
Yeah, Lesnar has no clue what remorse is. Just pure bloodlust.
A true beast in every sense of the word. I sure hope he understands what he's getting into when he steps in the ring with Roman Reigns. Yeah, Reigns' inimitable power could represent the end game for this superstar. WWE Universe eats up these Hell in a Cell matches, but I wonder if they know just how dangerous it is to these superstars' lives and livelihood.
No question, Michael. I hope the EMTs are standing by and ready, because if history is any guide, we're going to need them.
5 tons of steel versus human flesh and bone? What could possibly go wrong, guys?
An awful lot.
And these superstars know it, Michael. The stakes don't get much higher than Hell in a Cell.
Right about now, Roman Reigns demands acknowledgement.
Lesnar caught by surprise.
Boom! Just mounted with punches and not, a nasty stop to finish it off.
A surprising lack of brutality from Lesnar there.
Got him right where he wants him.
He ends the pin attempt for some reason. Now down into the cover.
That's an unusual decision.
Maybe looking to deal some more damage first. Attacked in the midsection. And Lesnar can't stop any offense coming his way.
Overwhelming attack from the top. Elbow drop. It's a piercing elbow.
I don't care how much you train. You can't prepare for a commercial airliner to come crashing down on you like that.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
And a stomp to the gut.
Lesnar quick to counter.
Brock managing to get some control back now.
Brock just got tired of being pushed around. He's likely more aggravated now. No, nothing fancy here.
Tasted victory.
Backed up.
Reverses the pin. Shoulders down. Well, this is unexpected, Byron.
Yeah, I'm guessing he wasn't fully in position. Oh, man.
An unchained physicality just got brought to Lesnar.
Roman turning up the pressure and the heat there.
Great wherewithal there.
No signs of either combatant backing down.
Slugging away with everything they've got.
Giving up now is not an option. They have to finish this. Neither competitor is backing down.
Looks like a hockey fight's just broken out.
Two titans trading strikes and refusing to back down.
Shoulder tackle to the body.
And he retaliates.
Gets out of dodge.
Lesnar launching his opponent with a German suplex.
Hell in a Cell is the ultimate test for a superstar. Any words of wisdom for these competitors, Corey?
Well, don't let the setting of this match get to you. Stay focused on your opponent and just work hard on getting this thing won. If being confined within the cell starts to rattle you, then you've just handed your competition the advantage.
Had an answer for Reigns. Had it scouted and met with a back elbow.
Oh, man. Kick to the face.
At this stage, the damage is really mounted.
And in these situations, it's hard to not get desperate, to start going for Hail Mary plays.
He's headed to the top now. From the top. Diving elbow drop. Are you kidding me?
Ooh, stiff punch. Oh, using...
Brock Lesnar looking for the submission.
Kimura lock. Kimura lock. And look at this. Kimura lock. Nowhere to go but perhaps. Oh, my God. They broke out of it.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
Reigns plans in motion.
From the top.
Down.
Roman is in the zone and letting the opposition know it.
Ooh. Looking to go up high. Here he comes, sliding back into the ring. That hit connects from Roman Reigns. Oh, that is going to leave a mark. Reigns just imposing his will right now.
We hardly ever see Lesnar in this alarmed state.
The head of the table cinches it in.
Putting his opponent to sleep with the guillotine. This could be it. We could see a tap out any second now.
Gonna take a lot of fortitude to get out of this. It's a very, very difficult submission to escape, but he did it.
Oh, and Roman fights back.
Roman managing to get some control back now.
Maybe Reigns has found a new...
Nice takedown. Stack them up. Countered into a new cover.
He's already done so much damage. What else could he want to do? Lesnar gets out of the way.
And the momentum's clearly against Brock now.
Yeah, Roman is blitzing Lesnar with everything he's got.
Here we go. Time to work out some aggression. Back and forth. Neither one giving up any ground.
It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here. They are emptying their tanks, going back and forth like this.
Ouch.
Reigns.
It's just a matter of time now. The guillotine is locked in tight.
Targeting the neck here. Cutting off oxygen.
Showing no mercy. Things getting more dangerous the longer this... The guillotine locked in. This is all... No,
That was an incredible counter. Oh, man. This could do it for the win. And the count stopped short of 2.
still has a great amount of fight in them. Not going to let it end like this. Arm wringer. Their opponent in a compromising position, but now starts to fight out with some punches to the gut.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof.
Oh, look at this, raining right hands. No escape from these punches.
Oh, Roman Reigns locked and loaded, measuring his opponent. Here we go. Big impact.
And Lesnar is out.
Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up. Oof.
Loving blow. It pulls off the reversal. Quick thinking that time.
Waistlock applied and launched into a German suplex.
Got him lined up, and it's only a matter of time now.
Legs caught. What a counter. Beautiful suplex. Elbow drop. Piercing. And taking even more damage to his head here.
He might want to start protecting himself better. Reigns has identified the target. Stand fair.
No coming back from Reigns after that.
Just mounted with punches and a stop to the gut too.
For the win.
They got him. A career-changing win inside Hell in a Cell.
Here is your winner, the OTC, Roman Reigns!
An incredible show of force by Roman Reigns, overpowering Brock Lesnar and laying the beast low.
Maybe now Lesnar will put some respect on Roman Reigns' name. But I doubt it.